Hello everyone, we are going to be doing an unboxing DJI Osmo Action 4. This is after a lot of research between this and the Pocket 3. Finally settled on this. It's going to be paired with the Mic 2. Let's see. Alright. Well, they make it in there pretty good. Alright, so we have the selfie stick. Pretty good. Got a tripod mount on the bottom. We have two boxes in there. And that's it. So one is accessories. Charger, crap. Got the mount for the camera, or one mount at least. Looks like a filter for the, or cover for the lens. This guy here. Let's see. Box, DJI, 3 batteries. This was the Adventure combo, so that was one of the nice benefits to this over the other, the Pocket. So, little card, a bunch of directions, some DJI stickers, and then the actual camera. Get that thing open. Alright. This here. The last action camera I had was like a Hero GoPro 3. Alright, so it does come with another mount, which is nice. I ordered one separately just because I wasn't sure. The packing directions were pretty, or the description on Amazon was pretty weak. So we got some, 2 of those guys, 2 clamps, and the protective case for it. And then the camera itself. And that was another thing, it did not specify anywhere if this included a memory card or if it's built in. I don't know. I'm currently using the Osmo 6 gimbal with an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it's nice, but I wanted something a little more rugged, and I didn't have to pull my phone out every time I wanted to do something. So tighten the lens protective cover before taking in water. Alright, so I guess it's got a screw-on lens here. So definitely want to make sure you keep that on. So maybe that other one's just an extra replacement. It's got a little cover on it. Gotta peel that off. Let's see. So that's on there tight. So we kind of mess around with things before we look at the directions, because why not? I like it. It's definitely bigger than my GoPro that I had. I like the size of the screen. It's pretty decent size. And then it's got another screen on the front. It's pretty nifty. And then I guess she'd pop in here. Maybe we do have to read the directions. No, I put it in backwards. That could be why. Okay, so goes in the case. Definitely adds some ruggedness to it. And then you can see where it's got the clip pieces on that side if you're going to shoot in that mode versus the bottom ones shooting that mode. Huh, it's me. Alright, we'll put another part up once we get a little more into it. Okay, so I had to read their quick start guide. So I got a little ahead of myself with this. So I guess we'll pop this guy back out, because it does not appear it came with a micro SD card. So quick start guide showing you first scan, download the DJI Mimo app. I'm already using that. So then push the button, maybe, yep, push this button, side slides up, opens up, empty. So we go to the case, which the case charges just like the Mic 2 case. You know, all the batteries go in there, and it also acts as a charger. So we're just following along the battery goes in, push it in, and I have it did not come with a micro SD card. I have one, luckily I had one. So we'll go ahead and pop that in that way, push it into click. I do like how the batteries have the little tabs on them. I wonder how long those will last though. And then we push that back down. I guess we can take that cover off. It's pretty. And it says press once. Okay, we got screen lighting up. All right, English, SD card system format not supported. Format and try again. Skip. Scan the QR code to download DJI Mimo and connect the camera unit to activate. Skip 5 times remaining. Reset date and time. Confirm. What is it? 6/19/2024. It's definitely got a speaker in this guy. 19/2024. The time 09:46. All right, so it's kind of nice. Okay, well, how are you gonna see that? Well, in the upper corner, you got the battery percent. Up here, you got SD card, which is red, which I would assume because it said it was no good. So how do we get to menu? There's a button over here for settings. I didn't see it in there. Play button. No files on SD card. Video. Slow-mo. Time-lapse. Video. Photo. Okay, so you can change the aspect ratio. Okay, here we go. Snapshot, voice control. Oh man, I'm not that tech savvy. Bluetooth remote controller, language, date and time, format. Swipe to format SD card. Format in progress, do not remove SD card. I really hope nothing was on that card, but I did not check. And it just still says, no, it shows you on the front too. Format in progress, do not remove SD card. So I did go on Amazon and I bought this whole case of attachments. I have not opened yet, still in this giant bag. And, well, while we're waiting for that to format, I open this. SD card system format not supported. Alright, so that's what I got on Amazon. This is 50-in-1 sports camera accessory kit. I think it was 20 bucks. But I wasn't sure what it came with. So we have suction cup mount for like your windshield. And that was the thing. So I guess it comes with all the pieces that clip in. Like that. So I didn't know if that would come with the little pieces from DJI, but it says they're compatible, so we should be good there. So it comes with a couple of these pieces, and then just like the DJI one, this one looks like it's got like a 3M backing, so you can permanently put it on like your windshield or surfboard or something. We have a head mount. I should keep this stuff where it goes. Okay, a whole bag of mounts. Or, yeah, they don't look like straps go through them. This looks like a wrist strap. A floating mount handle. Even roller. A clip. Yeah, I guess you could put that on your car visor or something. A whole bunch more replacement pieces, it looks like. You got the screw pieces, rotating pieces, a bunch of stuff there. Another piece that looks like it go on top of a tripod. It's got the that there. A bunch more desiccant packs. And it's got the whole top of the bag. So this guy's got a mini flex tripod. That's nice. This little piece of foam. Looks like a handlebar clamp. Motorcycle, bike, whatever have you. Something in this bag. I don't know. Alright. Strap. Alright. Another strap. Another strap. All those 3M back pieces. Some more adhesive pieces. It's a pretty good value for $20. And then I think this is the chest harness. And another piece. And another your selfie stick. And the same thing, this will let you put it on the tripod. Pull it, turn it right to lock. Okay. Cool. Well, we'll have to experiment with a bunch of these. We'll figure out why this SD card is not working and figure that out and get back. Okay, I'm back. Back with the camera. Amazon. Same day delivery. So we have a micro SD card for this thing now. I got the Lexar 512, which was the highest capacity one that was recommended on DJI's website. So that's all the info on it. It's listed on the website too. So, got this guy open. Alrighty then. I did put a card in, but it was like teeny. Yeah, I had a 8 gig. So it literally said, oh, you have 24 minutes, I think it said 27 minutes of recording available. So let's open this thing up. Fancy little card. And I did charge the batteries while I was waiting, since I couldn't do anything. Alright, we got that all charged up. Pop it in, close it down. And it's on. Enabling low light image enhancement. Oh, and it started recording already. I don't want to do that. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that's much better. It says 27 hours and 47 minutes available. So, well, rinse with clean water to remove sand after underwater usage. Do not use the extension rod during thunderstorms to avoid lightning strikes. So, I guess I can take that off now. Let's see. Good gosh. I can't even get that far enough. That thing is huge. Thing's 55 inches long, extended. Impressive. Well, I guess we'll have to play with that now and get some video with the camera.